So have you ever felt like that I am working so hard, so hard for the entire month, and end of the day, like, I'm not able to make any money at all? Do you also feel the same? And do you know why it happens? There are so many reasons, but there are some, like, powerful main reason as well. The very first thing is we have been brainwashed from the early, like, during the parents, grandparents time, that to make money you really need to work hard, because those was the time, like, those were the time where it was an industrial revolution, where you have to work literally like 8 to 10 hours, and after working so hard in the industries, then you will be able to make a certain amount of money. So that's where the subconsciously it has wired from grandparents to parents, then parents to you, saying like it's very hard to make money. And then you, what do you think? Like, irrespective of, like, where you're working, you think that working hard will make me more money. No. For example, let's suppose if I want to travel from Mumbai to Bangalore, what if instead of, like, the road which is supposed to take me from Mumbai to Bangalore, I am going in a wrong road and I'm working hard? Do you think you will reach there? No, right? So at the same time, I need to do a smart work as well. What will I do? If I don't know the road, I will ask someone who has already visited Bangalore through road. If still I don't have that, I will do again a smart work, like, putting a GPS, that how can I go to Bangalore, and I will see the location and I will drive accordingly. So it's not only like, you need to work hard to make more money. It's not only working hard, at the same time, you also need to work smart to make money as well. So it's not only about working hard, at the same time, you need to work smart as well. Okay, so that's why, because it has been hardwired from our grandparents and, like, from parents, that you need to work hard. For example, if you want to make that lakhs of rupees or crores of rupees, you need to work hard. No, you need to work hard. At the same time, you also need to work in a smart way. That's when you will be able to become, like, achieve that financial confidence. So that's why the energy which you are sending to the money divine, that energy is that it is not always hard. It is always easy to earn, like, that much of money, whatever money you want to earn. It's always easy. I just need to figure it out the way I want to, like, earn that particular money. So it's not that hard.